Hi, in the last session, we introduced 5G Core and we talked about business landscape possibilities from 5G technology. We discussed how operator can gain a bigger market share from the 5G potential. Now let's talk about different elements of 5G core network and let's see how they are different from the 4G core network. Here we will know that what are the new elements that are added in 5G core and how the responsibilities are divided into new 5G core elements. Okay, so what are the new key elements in 5G core network? Well, before moving to the 5G core, let's quickly see 4G core architecture first. The 4G EPC core or Evolved Packet Core is relatively simple. It includes the Mobility Management Entity MME, which handles mobility management related tasks and session management related tasks and UE authentication. The Serving Gateway or SGW is responsible for transferring user data between the 4G radio access network RAN and Packet Gateway Network or PGW. The Packet Gateway takes the user data from the Serving Gateway and send it to the external network, for example Internet. The Packet Gateway also assigns IP address to the UE device and ensures that the quality of service rules are followed. HSS or Home Subscriber Server stores the customer profile and creates the authentication data. Then MME uses this data to verify users. PCRF or Policy and Charging Rule functions provides the quality of service information to the packet gateway for different type of traffic. It also has charging rules, flow control rules and traffic priority etc. so that it can correctly charge the device for using the services. Now let's look at the 5G core network architecture. But before understanding that, I want to cover one important concept in 5G. Well, one of the key idea in 5G technology is separating the control plane functions and user plane functions. This is known as control plane and user plane separations or CUPs. We talked about this earlier. In 4G, the serving gateway and packet gateway combinedly handles different tasks like assigning IP address to the UE, charging the UE, enforcing quality of services, etc. And they provide a mobility anchor, packet routing, etc. In 5G, these control plane functions and user plane functions are now separated. So the user plane functions from the serving gateway and the packet gateway are now combined into one single entity. And this is called user plane function or UPF in 5G. And the control plane tasks from the serving gateway and packet gateway along with the session management are now handled by session management functions or SMF in 5G. Mobility management is now managed by access and mobility management function or AMF in 5G. Authentication is handled separately by authentication server function or AUSF in 5G core. And the MME functions are now distributed between AMF, SMF and AUSF in 5G core network. The policy control functions or PCRF in 4G EPC core is now evolved to the policy control function or PCF in 5G core. In 4G EPC core, HSS was managing the subscriber profiles and was creating the authentication data for the MME. But in 5G core, subscriber profiles and the creation of authentication data are handled by Unified Data Management or UDM. So this is how the 5G core network functions are divided compared to the 4G core network. Okay, so that's it for today. In the next session, we will be talking about network slicing concept in 5G. So stay tuned for the updates. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.